Have you ever hesitated when you asked for leave and you didn't know how to say it professionally? Or maybe you have received a feedback at workplace and you didn't know how to respond it without getting nervous or without sounding rude. सो डोंट वरी, ये वर्क प्लेस के कुछ कॉमन चैलेंजेस हैं जो आप स्मार्टली और एक सही माइंडसेट के साथ में हैंडल कर सकते हैं. हेलो देयर, आई एम निहारिका एंड आई एम सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनर. आप देख रहे हैं वर्ड्स ऑफ विजडम, जहां हम सीखते हैं लाइफ की और कम्युनिकेशन की कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल्स. आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे छुट्टी मांगने के कुछ आसान से तरीके, या कह सकते हैं कि जब आप वर्क प्लेस पर अपनी लीव अप्रूव कराना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए आप सेंटेंस कैसे फ्रेम करेंगे, या फिर वर्क प्लेस पर कभी आपको कोई फीडबैक रिसीव होता है या फिर आप किसी को फीडबैक देना चाहते हैं तो इस तरह के कन्वर्सेशन के लिए आप सेंटेंस को कैसे बनाएंगे और किस तरीके से आप उसे प्रेजेंट करेंगे. तो चलिए देखते हैं. आस्किंग फॉर लीव. वर्क प्लेस पर किसी भी तरीके की कोई भी लीव आप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए आप कैसे कम्युनिकेट करेंगे, इसके लिए कुछ इजी से सेंटेंसेस हैं. साथ में फीडबैक फ्रेजेस में आप देखेंगे जब आपको कोई फीडबैक रिसीव होता है या फीडबैक शेयर करते हैं तो आप किस तरीके से कम्युनिकेट करेंगे. आई नीड टू टेक अ डे ऑफ टुमारो. ओके, प्लीज़ इन्फॉर्म HR. आई एम फीलिंग अनवेल. मे आई लीव अर्ली टुडे? श्योर, टेक केयर. I have a personal emergency. Understood. Hope everything is okay. Can I work from home tomorrow? Yes, just update your manager. I would like to apply for 2 days leave. Please send your leave request by email. My child is unwell. I need to stay home. That's fine. Take care of them. I am planning a trip next month. Can I take a week off? Yes, but please apply in advance. I will be on leave this Friday. Noted. Thanks for the heads up. I am not well today and won't be able to come. No problem. Rest well. I would like to take half-day leave. Approved. Please mark it in the system. Can I take casual leave tomorrow? Yes, just inform your team. I may be late today due to a personal reason. That's okay. Stay safe. My leave was already approved. Yes, it's in the record. I will resume work on Monday. Great, see you then. Do I need to fill a leave form? Yes, please complete it online. How many paid leaves do I have left? Please check with HR. I had informed about my leave last week. Yes, it's been updated. I might need a few more days off. Let's talk and plan accordingly. I am back from the leave. Welcome back. Hope you had a good break. Thank you for approving my leave. You are welcome. I have a medical appointment tomorrow. Sure, hope everything is fine. I will be traveling for a wedding next week. Okay, please share your travel dates. Can I take a half day today? Yes, what time will you leave? I need to attend a parent-teacher meeting. That's fine, you can leave early. I am feeling unwell and might not come tomorrow. Please rest and keep us informed. My relative passed away. I need urgent leave. Sorry to hear that. Take the time you need. Can I take leave for my driving license test? Sure, best of luck. I have to attend a job interview. Please apply for leave officially. I am moving into a new house. That's exciting. Take a day off if needed. I need to take care of some bank work. No problem. Let your team know. Can I get a day off for personal reason? Yes, just inform HR. I need a week off for a pilgrimage. Sure, please submit a formal request. I have not taken leave in the past 6 months. You deserve one. Go ahead. I want to plan a vacation next month. Great, apply in advance. I need to attend a religious event. Okay, please share the details. Can I take sick leave today? Sure, hope you recover soon. My parents need assistant for medical checkup. Absolutely, family comes first. I have already applied for leave next week. Yes, it's been approved. Can I work from home instead of taking leave? Yes, if your work allows you. I might need emergency leave anytime. Understood, just inform when it happens. I have a function in my kids' school. No problem, enjoy the event. I will need a few hours to renew my documents. Sure, just mark it on the calendar. I will need a few hours to renew my documents. Sure, just mark it on the calendar. I am feeling mentally exhausted and need a break. Your well being is important. Take care. I am attending a spiritual retreat this weekend. Sounds peaceful. Go ahead. I need time to prepare for an exam. Absolutely, all the best. I want to celebrate my anniversary with my family. Congratulations. Enjoy your day. My cousin's engagement is this Friday. Sure, submit your leave request. I need a day to manage some urgent paperwork. Noted, please complete your pending task before that. I am attending a health checkup camp. That's great. Take care of your health. Could you please give me your feedback? Sure, I will share it shortly. I appreciate your honest feedback. You are welcome. I hope it helps. What can I improve in my next presentation? Just focus more on time management. Do you think I handled the situation well? Yes, you remained calm and professional. I am open to suggestion. Let's work on clarity next time. Thank you for pointing that out. No problem, we all learn through feedback. I will make sure to improve on that. Good to hear, keep it up. How was my email tone? It was polite and clear. Let me know if there is anything I missed. Just add the timeline next time. I value your opinion. Thanks, I will share my thoughts with you. Could you review this before I send it? Sure, send it over. Your feedback helps me grow. That's good to hear. I am trying to learn from my mistake, and you are improving already. Please tell me what could have been better. You could slow down while presenting. Can you highlight the positive too? Of course, your intro was very strong. I will take this constructively. That's the spirit. Thank you for being honest. Always here to support. Is there any training I should attend? Yes, the communication workshop might help. I appreciate your time and inputs. Anytime, it's part of the team growth. I will work on your suggestions seriously. Looking forward to your progress. Can I get feedback from the client as well? Yes, we'll request it in the next meeting. Your guidance really helped. I am glad I could support. I am working on my communication based on your advice. Great, you are making visible progress. Can I schedule a one-on-one for detailed feedback? Sure, let's meet tomorrow. Was my tone professional enough? Yes, it was respectful and firm. Did I miss any key point in the meeting? Just one. Don't forget the follow-up task. I want to learn and do better. That's the right attitude. Keep it up. Thanks for the constructive criticism. You are welcome. I want you to grow. I will implement your feedback in my next task. Excellent. That's what makes a good team member. Was the report clear and detailed? Yes, it was well structured. Can you show me an example for improvement? Yes, let me share a sample format. I am still working on improving my time management. You are doing better already. Keep tracking. How was my delivery during the call? Confident and smooth. Please let me know if I overstepped. Not at all. You were respectful. I am thankful for your mentorship. I am happy to guide you. What did you like most in my work? Your attention to detail was impressive. How can I support the team better? Take initiative in team discussions. I would love to know your thoughts. Sure, I will give you my inputs by end of the day. Your feedback motivates me to do better. That's the goal. Keep improving. Let's connect again after I make the changes. Sounds good. Looking forward. What's one thing I must focus on next? Try to improve consistency in reports. Was my explanation too long? A little. Try to be more concise. I will make a note of all suggestions. Good. That helps you stay focused. What was your first impression on my proposal? It was promising, just needs refinement. Thanks for the review. I will work on changes right away. Perfect. Let me know when it's done. Was my tone supportive enough? Yes, it was warm and clear. What can I do differently next time? Try engaging the audience more. I am committed to self-improvement. That's admirable. Keep going. I have made the changes you suggested. Great, I will review them soon. Let's set a follow-up to review progress. Sure, let's connect next week. तो इस वीडियो में आपने देखा कैसे पोलाइटली छुट्टी मांगी जाती है और स्मार्टली कोई फीडबैक दिया जाता है। एक चीज़ याद रखिए, यदि आप वर्क प्लेस पर कम्युनिकेशन कर रहे हैं तो ज़रूरी नहीं है आप बहुत हैवी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं तभी ठीक रहेगा। यदि आप छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस भी बनाते हैं और छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस से भी शुरुआत करते हैं तो आपका कहीं ना कहीं वर्क प्लेस पर एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इंप्रेशन क्रिएट होता है। यदि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक करिए, अपने किसी कलीग या अपने किसी फ्रेंड को शेयर करिए जिसको इसकी ज़रूरत हो सकती है, और साथ में मुझे कमेंट करके ये बताइए कि वर्क प्लेस का ऐसा कौन सा कन्वर्सेशन है जो इसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम होती है, जिससे कि मैं आपकी हेल्प करूँगी उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए। यदि आप इसी तरीके के और यूज़फुल वीडियोस चाहते हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए स्टे कॉन्फिडेंट, कीप लर्निंग और अपना कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग करते रहिए।